if you've never seen this face before, I am part of the Lemon Squad. Let's go, Queen! So I'm going to be making a cream cheese slime. It feels like butter slime, but cream cheesy, and you call it cream cheese slime. I made another slime today, and another slime. I'm calling it raspberry slime. It's very beautiful. But so I'm going to give you a challenge. You guys are gonna have to subscribe, turn on the notifications, and comment down below that you did that in 7 seconds. If you did that, you'll get a shout out. So 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, boom. If you did that, good job for you. You get a shout out. So let's start making the slime. So first we're gonna need is some glue. Oh my god, this is the heaviest glue ever. And cornstarch. So first you're just gonna put like that much in, and then we're going to put a little bit of cornstarch at first, like that much, like a little one, like that much, and then we're going to mix it. Mixy, 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 mixy. It's just mixing it until it turns into like a whipped cream. So, I think we're done with that. We're going to put some cupcake scent into it. So, nothing's coming out. Oh, there we go. Okay. So, we're just gonna mix it. I'm gonna go in with my hands because it's just not mixing beautifully. And we're not gonna add any color today. Sorry. So now I don't think we're gonna need, it literally smells like icing. Smell it. I know. Okay. So it's really pretty. So now we're going to need some activator. You really want to see what it's feeling like because you can't really tell what it feels like. So I'm just going to pull it out and just keep on playing with it. Just play with it even though it's really sticky. It's going to come together, don't worry. Like, it's going to come. So this is not the ending. It's not just like this. It's not how the cream cheese ends. Like, you just need to put dip like a little bit of this in cornstarch, and then it'll technically be done. So go ahead and get cornstarch, please. So I'm gonna use this cornstarch on the table because I'm just gonna use cornstarch on the table. So, just to tidy up some things. Here, I need keep it. It's gonna like really quickly go like this. Okay, that's all I need. It's becoming cream cheese. Yep. Coming cream cheese. Yep. I probably just need like 2 more dips of cornstarch and it will be literally cream cheese slime. It's literally so perfect. So, I love this slime. Slime for me. Okay, sorry, had to take a selfie. So this has like a tint of a color into it. You see it? Oh, it's like a tint of like peach. So this is like the best slime ever. sips back, I think it is. Might need a little activator though. That was a lot. So I call this one of my favorite slimes. I've really never made this slime ever. And today was my first try, and it's actually turned out amazing. It's supposed to be like stringy and like this. It's really good. Thank you for watching this. Make sure to check out my slime channel and my vlog channel. So, hope you guys love this.